guess this is it. I promise. I'll never forget you.
I'd hope not. Dad, it's a 2-day orientation.
Okay, maybe we can circle the block again? Maybe we can find a Shake Shack. I hear that stuff is great.
Dad.
Okay, you're right. It's just 2 days.
Yeah.
No!
Thank you.
Do it quick! Get it over with! Just rip the Band-Aid off!
Drug boy status showtime.
And like that, I saw the little girl whose first footsteps gave me my first tears of joy begin to take her first steps.
Dad, enough. I can tell my own story.
Fine.
Just like that, I was off. I took my first steps into the new...
Spread your wings, baby bird!
Filled with so much hatred.
Spread your wings!
The kids don't stand a chance.
God, please give me the strength. Where's the nearest Shake Shack?
Searching for Shake Shack nearby.
Okay, as I was saying, I took my first steps into a new world.
Sometimes it's hard to grow while living in fear of the unknown.
College. So many new faces, so many new experiences.
No love is in his heart.
We're trapped inside the matrix.
Am I intimidated? No.
Our hands.
I'm gonna kill this thing. Watch.
The kids don't stand a chance.